Welcome to my successful how-to videos, and today I want to discuss with you about a method to get a clean windshield streak-free. And perhaps the number one tool that you need to use are those microfibers towels. The advice came from my son. Believe it or not, for 40 years I have been struggling. So it's the combination of the right product and the right piece of cloth, which is the microfiber. Never apply the glass cleaner spraying all over, especially your plastic. We are going to see why. You spray directly on the microfiber and then you brush it. And the thing that you are going to see is that in front of me, even though I have a 20-year-old windshield on a 20-year-old car, and I have the sun in my face, you know, it's sunset. I've made this video on purpose during sunset. I have a perfectly clean image, and you don't see anything through the windshield, which is kind of greasy or streaks or remains, of things that have been sticking to the windshield. The product that I would stay completely away is the Windex, because that's a general cleaner. The product that you need to buy, and it's a specialty glass cleaner. And below the video there is an affiliate link if you want some good products. But don't go with a general cleaner like Windex. It's not designed, and you are going to be disappointed. While I'm speaking about that, you see also the product on the left, which is a car interior multi-surface detailer. Those products, you need to be very careful with them, because the modern dashboard, they are actually very fragile to the chemicals, and those chemicals are going to kill your dashboard. So actually mine, and if you think about that, my car is a 20-year-old car, and I want to show you because it's a time capsule. I'm going to close here, but you can see that everywhere the plastic is perfect. And one of the reasons is that I only clean it with a piece of fabric and water. No, nothing, no chemical. You can put a little drop of soap, like for cleaning the dishes, so dish soap, but not more than that. And that will keep your plastic, and especially where you have paint, that will keep them for years to go. So it's a little bit a trade-off of having a shiny dashboard or something which is lasting long. And if you are into the duration, no chemical on the dashboard. Again, I want to show you through the windshield with the sun, the sunset in my face, how beautiful is the view through the windshield. And I used to be so aggravated in the past with, all those tricks. I was cleaning, and then they would not go away. And then when I would put more, it was even a disaster. So, and I'm going to repeat myself, the microfiber and the right chemical, and you apply the chemical directly on the microfiber so that you don't spray it all over your dashboard, because we said that that's bad for the dashboard. If you are interested to buy the right products, below the video there is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything. And those are the recommended products that 40 years of experience from a car guy are going to be helpful for you. So go straight to the solution and don't do the mistake that I've done for almost 40 years. So I thank you very much for watching this video. And as you know, I have many more very successful, very effective how-to videos. Thank you very much.